I met someone today who told me that someone went to them and told them that if they implement ERPNext or any other open source product, whether ERP, whether just an accounting software or whatever it is, as long as it's open source, that they are going to be locked in, and that it is only the person who did the implementation and the customization that is able to make any progress with that software in terms of customization. My answer to them was, no, that person lied to you. In fact, I told them that whatever they told you is the extreme opposite, which is actually true. Because look at it this way. If, for example, implement ERPNext, it is not only the person who implemented it that can maintain it, that can customize it, that can do whatever. And because of that, I prepared 9 points that I hope are going to help you and help that person and so many other people that have been lied to out there about ERPNext and any other ERP. In fact, that is why I call ERPNext the Unchained ERP. You can check out my newspaper, not my newspaper rather, but my newsletter on my LinkedIn channel. And in fact, because I have prepared a comprehensive write-up giving the details, I am going to leave a link to that newsletter article in the description section below, and I am also going to leave it as the first comment so that no one misses it. That misconception has to be wiped once and for all. Point number 1 is the total ownership. No vendor lock-in. You know, vendor lock-in is that situation where you have a vendor who give you a software product, for example, and then it is only that vendor that can do stuff for you. Every time you need to do anything, you have to keep calling them. They are busy, they are out of the country, they are what? That thing right there is called vendor lock-in. For ERPNext, it is not. Why? Because it is open source. I mean, even if you have competent developers within your organization, they can customize ERPNext. Number 2, I'm scrolling my notes here. Cost transparency and lower cost of ownership. Now, look at it. There is no hidden cost within ERPNext. First, the software is open source. You're not paying for the software. 2, no licenses. You will never pay for anything after implementation. In fact, the only thing that even us who are implementers of ERPNext charge is only for our time. We do not charge for the software. We do not charge licenses. We do not charge for anything else except our consultation time. And therefore, after we have implemented the software, you can decide to keep us as for support, so that when you have challenges, we can support you. But remember, it is not a must. If you have a competent developer within your organization, they can easily and comfortably take care of that, meaning you do not have any other costs. Point number 3 is the deep customizability. Tell me, which proprietary software gives you their source code? That is their secret. You do not know what happens behind the scenes. You only know what you take in and what you get out. But what happens in between, you do not understand. That right there is what is called the black box situation. You are inside a black box. ERPNext is different. You choose what you want to do with your data. Once it goes in, you decide what happens to your data, how it is processed, where it is stored, and what you get out is totally under your control. That is what we call deep customizability. Number 4, real-time integration across all modules. Now, this thing is not just some random modules placed here and there and the other place. This is deep integration from accounting to HR to payroll, asset management, inventory. We have purchases, we have sales, we have anything you can think about, including projects. In projects, that's obvious. Okay, manufacturing. That's also obvious. Agriculture, all those things. Think about it. They are in the ERPNext. And if it's not already there, it can be built. Number 5 is open ecosystem and global community. Now, this is what made me make this video. Somebody lied to another person that it is only the developer who does it that can keep it. It's not true. You have a global community, especially within ERPNext. In fact, I am talking on behalf of ERPNext. I'm not talking about other funny open source ERPs that are open source, quote unquote. They tell you they are open source, but if you click on something, they are telling you to go to another place so that you can get that feature. I am not talking about that one. I am talking about ERPNext, the Unchained ERP. This thing has global community. If OpenSoft Limited implements it, it can be maintained by any other across the world. Number 6 is independence from single developer. Have I not insisted this enough? we must not maintain it. If we implement it, we must not maintain it. If any other company implements it, they must not maintain it. Now, listen, you do not rely on any developer there. Anybody can maintain it as long as they understand 3 things: 1, Python; 2, JavaScript; 3, SQL. They can maintain it. Okay? And nowadays, actually, there is a lot of trainings that are going on. For example, I just completed a boot camp, which was taking people through deep dive into ERPNext. And if you missed that, you can let me know on the comment section below. You can purchase the content, the course content. It's available, it was recorded, it's there for you to view. Number 7, local compliance and customization. This, I believe, is trouble enough for a lot of companies that are trying to do, for example, here in Kenya, the situation in Kenya, you are trying to do KRA integration, you are trying to do so that you can be compliant with VAT. Let me think about the other thing. There's something we call e-teams. That's what I'm calling KRA. We have things like, basically think about it. You can do any kind of customization you want that is custom to local. Why? Again, because you have access to the source code. Number 8, you're almost finishing. Rapid implementation and agile improvements. Now, ERPNext is constantly growing, and it is easier to implement ERPNext and actually faster than implementing any proprietary software. Why? Because again, remember, proprietary software have their own preferred implementers. Those implementers sometimes can be busy. You are there stuck with some product, ABC. You want it to run your business, but then they are busy. They are not implementing it. And you know, some of these products have gotten some serious amount of attention. And I believe it's not really worth it. So ERPNext, you implement it easily. In fact, if you understand Python, you that is listening to me, even if you are not a developer, if you understand Python and some JavaScript and some SQL, you can run ERPNext on your own. Look at my blog, for example, codewithkarandi.com. It will give you almost all the tutorials. You can get tutorials on how to install it. You can get tutorials on how to debug it, tutorials on name it. So I believe you can also do it. Don't be deceived. Number 9, scalable and future ready. Again, I mentioned in point number 8 that this thing keeps growing. So do not be lied to. ERPNext has multi-company, it has multi-user. So in fact, it does not matter how many users you have. That's why I'm saying it's scalable. Whether you have 1 user, you have 10 users, you have 1,000 users. The user count does not matter in ERPNext. You will remain using the software as you have been using it. Maybe the only thing you need to do is to check your server to make sure it can handle the traffic. But the ERP itself, it is there for you to use. So do not be lied to. And please let me know what your thoughts are. Those are my 9 points. So I hope after you watch this video, if you're a business person, you are not going to allow anyone to lie to you. Get ERPNext, run with it, and you will thank me later. If you're a developer who somebody is trying to confuse out there, telling you that product purple, is it purple, product green is better, they lied to you. They lied to you. After watching this video, do not allow those deceptions to enter your mind again. Go out there and dominate. ERPNext is the Unchained ERP. Leave your comment below. Let's get it done.